If you have a pair of three-way switches, you'll have a 14-2 or 12-2 cable coming into each electrical box. And you will have a 14-3 or 12-3 cable connecting the two boxes. The hot wire from the 14-2 or 12-2 cable is your common wire in each box. The hot wires from the 14-3 or 12-3 cable are your travelers. They connect the three-way switches together. Your white neutral wires will be connected together with a wire connector. The bare ground wires and pigtail wire will be connected together with a wire connector. On a three-way switch, you have a dark colored screw, which is your common screw. The two light colored screws are your traveler screws. The green screw is your grounding screw. The 14-2 or 12-2 hot wire is your common wire. It gets connected to the dark colored screw. The 14-3 or 12-3 hot wires are your travelers, and they get connected to the light colored screws. The ground wire goes to the green screw.